Hello and welcome. This instructional video for utilizing the employee self-service portion of the Access HR Now software suite. We are going to discuss how to navigate the My Profile tab. To begin, select My Profile from the options on the navigation tool in the upper left-hand corner of the screen under the self-service menu items list and click on it. When you click on this item, you will see the My Profile tab open up next to the Desktop tab. Below the top-level tabs you will see sub-tabs which are titled Profile, Experience, Payroll, Management, and Other. By default, the first sub-tab, entitled Profile, will be showing once you have clicked on the My Profile in the self-service menu items. In this video we will be explaining the Payroll sub-tab. Please click the Payroll sub-tab now, if you have not already. The docs that you will see are Payroll Setup, Deductions, Wages and Earnings, Direct Deposits, Labor Distributions and Payment History. These docs will display all of your taxation information, payroll data, and payment history. Depending on the structure of the company that your employer has selected, you may, or may not be able to update and save some of this information. The first doc, entitled Payroll Setup, itself has 4 tabs. Those tabs are Setup, Taxes, Exemptions, and Pay Rates. The Setup tab shows up by default when the screen loads the information from the Payroll sub-tab. This tab displays the basic payroll information and the pay codes that are assigned during time entry by your HR professional. Next to Setup is the Taxes tab. Click Taxes now. The Taxes tab shows your basic W-4, or municipality-specific taxation documentation information used to calculate state, local, and federal income taxes. Now, click on the Exemptions tab. On the Exemptions tab you will see filing status and all of the exemptions that you are claiming to the state, local and federal taxes being collected. The final tab in this doc, entitled Pay Rates. This tab will show you your basic pay rate, and if you receive pay at differing rates from different jobs that you perform, shift differentials, etc., they will be displayed here as well. The doc below the Payroll Setup doc, entitled Deductions, show all of the items being deducted from your paycheck, such as insurances, retirement savings, or health savings accounts, as some examples. This information will include whether or not the deduction is active or not, the amount and year-to-date total. If you would like to view the details of an individual deduction, click on the small pencil icon next to the description. This will show you the starting and ending date, the details of the deduction, and other pertinent information about that item. The first doc in the second column is entitled Wages and Earnings. Here will be displayed the various incomes that you are receiving from the company. This includes whether or not the pay type is active currently, the amount of income you are receiving for the pay cycle, and year-to-date total of all payments. Again, if you would like to view the details of an individual income line item, click on the small pencil icon next to the description. Below Wages and Earnings is a doc entitled Direct Deposits. This doc will show you all of your direct deposits, their totals, and types of accounts into which they were deposited. If you click on the small pencil icon that appears next to one of these line items, you can see the details, such as account and routing numbers, as well as if it is a standard or pre-note deposit. The final doc in the second column is entitled Labor Distributions. This will display any divisions in the way that you spend your work hours should you have a variety of job functions. If you wish to see the details on the distribution, such as what client or project the distribution represents, or the number of hours in the pay cycle are dedicated to this distribution, click on the small pencil icon next to the line item. Finally, the final doc on the page, which takes up the entire third column, shows your payment history, including the date of each check, the check number, the type of check that was issued and the amount. By clicking on the date on the check, you can open up another window to show you an image of that check. This concludes the introduction to the Payroll sub-tab of the My Profile tab. Thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Goodbye.